students, now let us look at some of the location strategies. So our emphasis would be on the global facility location strategies. It also covers the localized or more narrower facility location decisions as well. हमारा जो perspective होगा, that would be कि globally, geographically distant positions पर भी can we define the location strategies. You may have discussed the assignment problems or traveling salesman problem in some courses of operations research. Here, it would be the application of it. Global location strategies may we will try कि we can cover some more perspectives or some more techniques which are actually related to it. But keep it in mind कि जो आपकी assignment problems हैं, transshipment problems हैं, आपकी जो traveling salesman problem है, वो सारी की सारी location facility जो है वो techniques के तौर पे use की जाती हैं for the assignment of facility or for the assignment of the labor. So facility location affects the efficiency and effectiveness of managing supply chain and a firm's overall competitive advantage. Facility location ये determine करती है that what would be the efficiency level and what would be the effectiveness level of the supply chain firm, और वो उसके लिए competitive advantage का भी role play करती है. So companies can locate anywhere in the world due to increased globalization, technology, faster transportation, improved communication, and open market. Because of these circumstances, there is actually the need for defining the global location strategies. Because the company can be located anywhere in the world, geographically distant positions पर हो सकती हैं, उनके manufacturing units कहीं पर हो सकते हैं, the market where there is a demand for their product, वो हो सकता है geographically distant position पे हो. So these decisions, they actually become very important, and if it is efficient and effective, efficient means cost saving, effective means वो अगर आप, if you can recall, that was all about the 2 P's or out of 4 P's of marketing. Your product should be at the right place. So product and place, effectiveness create हो सकती है. Right time पे right place पर आपकी अगर product मौजूद है, which is the right product for those customers, वो competitive advantage create करती है for that organization. So here it should be aligned. Your global facility location decisions would be aligned with that target. Location still matters. Industry clusters show the innovation and competition are geographically concentrated. It is possible कि आप industry clusters या business clusters create कर दें. Clusters के अंदर we would say normally the demand would be concentrated. एक जैसी product या उस product की demand जो है वो वहाँ पर ज़्यादा lie करती है. तो clustering is also one of the scenarios जो कि आपकी destination को determine करने के लिए we created, and we will be discussing it in more detail in our coming sessions as well. So global location decisions involve location of the facility, defining its strategic role and identifying the market it serves. So it has a strategic role. Strategic role की जब भी बात की जाएगी तो it's the long term goal. Long term जो है वो आपके लिए एक profitable और effective scenario होगा. It's not like that कि वो एक short term scenario पे या tactical decision लिया गया. तो your location decisions are actually not short term. Although आपके पास जो assignment problems और traveling salesman problem है, if you can recall, वो short term planning के लिए की जाती हैं. तो modeling में mathematical modeling में this is a bit of a limitation that for a location decisions sometimes most of the techniques are like for short term behavior. Global location decisions should optimize the performance of the supply chain and be consistent with the firm's competitive strategy. Alignment with the competitive strategy and the overall supply chain is the requirement of the global location decisions. A firm competing on cost is likely to select a location that provides a cost advantage. एक firm है, ये depend करता है कि on which dimension जो है वो competitive advantage create किया जा रहा है. Time, cost, quality और flexibility. These were the 4 dimensions if you can recall. So the point here is if there is a firm which is actually competing on cost, तो वो एक ऐसी लोकेशन ही सिलेक्ट करेगी जो कि उनको कॉस्ट एडवांटेज प्रोवाइड करे. दैट इज ऑफ कोर्स द कंपेटिटिव एडवांटेज फॉर दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. A firm that competes on speed of delivery, or I would say the consistency of the speed of delivery, such as the FedEx Corporation, uses the hubs and spoke approach to determine location. Now, hub and spoke approach would be the one which would be actually according to the customer requirement. Customer जहाँ पर आपके पास concentrated है तो उसे use किया जाएगा. So that means कि वो एक hub के साथ link spoke का create कर दिया गया. There could be many locations and primarily वहाँ पर जो competitive advantage create किया गया वो consistency of the speed के लिए किया गया rather than के cost cutting का कुछ scenario. तो cost cutting may not be there. To get the most out of foreign-based facilities, managers must treat these plants as having the strategic role to perform. So there is no tactical role involved in it और short-term basis पर इस तरह की decision making नहीं की जाती. Your facility decisions should be like strategic in nature. And when you say strategic in nature, it should be aligned with the competitive strategy of that organization as well as it should be efficient and effective. वो ये तीन चीज़ें जब align करते हैं आप, so then you will get a good global location strategy.